Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. Government continues to explore additional opportunities with China in moving forward on a number of development projects, says Prime Minister Bainimarama. Speaking at the opening of Fiji's first bauxite mine at Nawailevu in Boa today, the Prime Minister said government is seriously considering reactivating explorations and actual mining at Kasi in Dakondrove, operations which are expected to generate over billions of dollars of economic activity. Government has collected Fiji $3 million since the Information Communication Levy came into effect 10 months ago. This was revealed by Fiji Commerce Commission Chairman Dr. Mahendra Reddy.
Throughout the world, policymakers have recognized ICT as a critical factor for promotion of rapid growth and development in an economy. Dr. Reddy says ICT is best regarded as the facilitators of knowledge creation in innovative societies. Thus, policymakers in Fiji realized the potential of ICT for development and recognized ICT can be harnessed for great socio-economic benefits. As a result, the ICT levy imposed by the government promotes economic growth. With the ICT levy of 3 cents, $3 million has been collected from the past 10 months. Now with the increased rate, 6 cents will be paid to government in the form of ICT levy. A total of $8 million is expected to be collected from this. This from parties calling from outside Fiji.
The Consumer Council of Fiji is calling on food processing companies to act more responsibly by disclosing full information to consumers so that they make informed decisions. A recent market inspection reveals that a number of supermarkets pack their own chicken, lamb, beef and sausages without any ingredient labeling on the package, while others sell them as unpacked or loose sausages.
Our Food Safety Act is very clear on the labeling requirements, and I just don't understand why some of these traders are not following the food safety law, which is very clear that all the information must be disclosed. But unfortunately that is not being done. So what the council will do, if we continue to see that some of these traders are not complying to the law, we will be referring those cases to Ministry of Health, and at the same time we will be doing more awareness and literally telling the public then don't buy those products.
Join us again after the break.